Hi everybody, all my followers, welcome to another video. This video today is on Fiat Scudo. I believe this is the 2.0 diesel, I'm not sure. Anyway, the car came to me because of the following. The HVAC system, although you can see, let me take these off. So is maximum speed and the fan, we still have no fan working, so the HVAC system it doesn't run. Everything else seems to be working here on the panel, so all the commands are working fine. The buttons for the dismiss that work, so everything seems to be doing what it's supposed to be doing, except that the fan doesn't run. So I could jump straight onto the fan, which probably I'll be doing anyway, but before we go into that, I've just went into the comfort systems, and we're gonna, as you can see, it tells me that there is no faults in there. I'm just gonna have a look at live data. So this is our temperatures, blah 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 blah, nothing rocket science here. So it's now loading all the data to start with, which is not very good. Come on. Okay, so a little bit of a trouble here with the live data, as you can see. It's now loading the live data correctly. It's gonna go back. It's loading it very slowly. Let's gonna forget the live data here. This is not. Let's gonna try live data again. Sorry. Let's gonna try once more. See if it loads okay this time. Battery voltage. It's extremely. It will start to load, but it's that slow though. So we have an issue here with the live data on this car. I think I'm wasting my time, to be fair with you. I should jump straight into the fun, check the fun, check the resistor, and go from there. Active tests. So I cannot hear the fan whatsoever. Just let me have a look, see if we can hear anything else. I think I'm gonna have to stop the engine because it's too loud. Yeah, I can hear that motor easily. Yeah, so just to confirm, the active tests are actually working. I cannot hear this one. Neither this one. No, that one. So I could hear the recirculation, and that's it pretty much. And the fan we tried already. No, it doesn't run. Okay, so I think we're not going to be able to do a lot with this here. Manual test, manual to configure recirculation, flapper learn. So this is just learn stuff. No, I don't. So I think there's nothing here. There's nothing here that that is going to be any helpful. I'm sure there's going to be something on the phone anyway. or the resistor. So we're gonna start to take things apart and try to see what's going on. So our motor is gonna be right behind here. To take these off, you have a cover here that you need to take out. There's a screw here. There's a little cover here with a screw in there, and then you have 1, 2, and 1 down there, 3, and then it's just pull it out really. So we're gonna take it out and start to have a look. Okay, so straight away I think it's gonna be quite easy to start to imagine what the problem is gonna be. As you can see in there, the input for the resistor is all melted. So this is gonna be the input for the voltage input for the resistor, for the variable resistor that gives different speeds to the fan. Right underneath you have the control wires, these little thin wires, and this is the ones that comes out into the motor. Okay, so it's a shame that I didn't record that. So I've checked the signal coming from over there with the scope, and we had the signal coming, so that was absolutely fine. Then what I've done is the traditional bank test, and it started to work, as you're gonna see. So it's all working again. Nevertheless, to say that this fan obviously is on his way, so I'm gonna advise to get this replaced. To replace this is a little bit of a pain in the ass. I think there's a few screws that needs to come out, some of the top. If I can find one for today, I will get it replaced. If not, I'm gonna have to order one and get it replaced at a later stage. Okay, so quick call to the local car parts store. They don't do these, obviously. Dealer wants £270, I believe, for that. So the owner of the car doesn't want to spend that money now. He's going to try to search a second hand, I believe. I don't know. And we're just going to put everything back together. I know it's not a very interesting video, but at least we figured out what the problem was. We're going to have to clear the codes for the airbag because we disconnected the switch. And we'll do that in a minute. So we're just going to put everything back together now. Just one last thing before we put everything back together. We obviously repaired this loom here. We couldn't leave it like that, so we got this repaired. Basically, I've unplugged all this and cut a little bit off the wires and just resolder again, and that's it really. Okay, so the airbag light actually goes off as soon as you plug that in, but we do still have a fault. Just gonna go quick in there and delete the fault. Oh, it's actually gone. So why you read a fault? Let's see if he reads no faults now. Oh, that's it. So no, you don't really need to worry too much about that. So that's it for this video, guys. I know it's nothing special, but I really hope you enjoy it. I hope there's some information here that you can use. If you still have any questions, any comments, put them below. And like always, thank you for watching.